Bless up, bless up, bless up. Wagwan over yasso. Pan RMTV review. Hope everyone doing good as you're watching this right now. So we see Vybz Kartel put out another post right here, towards the DPP. Yes, people, and along with that, we see Vybz Kartel lawyers take action. So we're gonna get into that article as well. Plus, we have something to talk about Spice. Remember the album on the way. Just the other day, we see Spice over in Singapore, doing some writing. Now, she get whole heap of inspiration all over the world. I guess that is why Spice doing a lot of traveling. Now she in Jamaica. I enjoy the beauty, as you can see right here. And, Spice just write her album. When you travel different places, you get more inspiration, to find some good songs. So, we look forward to that. So right here we see a lot of people sharing different opinion on Vybz Kartel conviction, especially since the DPP came out, saying that she ready for the retrial. That's Paula Llewellyn, people. And we see Vybz Kartel put out another post about the DPP and the Vybz Kartel lawyers take action. Yeah, people. So right here we see different view pertaining to the case with Clive. Some of them make sense, some of them don't make any sense at all.
Alright, hear me say now. I see a lot of people saying justice for Lizard and that Kartel shouldn't be free and Kartel deserve life in prison for taking out Lizard. But I'm going to say this to you. Birds of a feather flock together. Lizard not innocent. If Lizard is innocent, Lizard wouldn't end up in the situation where in with Kartel. A game machine to keep. And then machine end up missing. And then allegedly Kartel take out Lizard. If somebody give a machine to keep, and that is your job to keep the machine safe, that means he's a gunman. You get what I say? So at the end of the day, Lizard is not innocent. I'm not saying Kartel is innocent either. But I'm just saying birds of a feather flock together. You get what I say? Oh, you don't know, say, Lizard take out all the people for Kartel. Oh, you don't know, say, Lizard was one of Kartel like a hittis way. Go take out some people for, you understand what I mean? I'm just hypothetically speaking, I'm just saying. Because you're part of a criminal enterprise. Because to me, that seemed like it was a criminal enterprise. It was a gang. You get what I say? Because if man give man machine for keep and XYZ and a man a beat man when time man hack up and them thing there. And when man nah do what himself do, man just get beaten. That seemed like it was a gang to me. So birds of a feather flock together. So none of them, to me, none of them not innocent. You get what I say? Lizard not innocent, Kartel not innocent. You get what I say? So if Kartel even do get off this case, it's technicality. I'm going to explain the technicality to you. In the Jamaican law, if a jury is tainted by the accused who is on trial, and so for example, him hire somebody if he bribe the jury, and if him successful, him win the case because him bribe the jury to get a not guilty verdict. But if everything get busted, the judge find out say the jury was being bribed. If the judge does not do away with the jury and get a fresh jury, because in the laws of Jamaica, you have to have a jury to try a murder case. You cannot have the judge just decides, alright, me a sentence you. You get what I say? Unless a manslaughter. But if a murder case, you need a jury, right? The judge alone can't do that. So, because the judge never do away with the jury, Kartel get a loophole and Kartel lawyers get a loophole to go to the Court of Appeal. The Court of Appeal in Jamaica should have, I'm going to tell you why them should have. What them should have do. Them should have did accept Kartel appeal and do a retrial. Years ago that would happen. You get what I say? Instead, they make it reach to the Supreme Court, which is in England, the Privy Council. Now you're on the world stage and the whole world now, Sister Jamaica, corrupt. Right? And the reason why they overturn the case They overturned the whole conviction. So technically Kartel is no longer a criminal. You cannot call him a criminal because his conviction was overturned by the Privy Council. But the reason why they sent back the case to Jamaica is for Jamaica to redeem themselves and do the right thing.
Okay, so right here we see Vybz Kartel share another post pertaining to, you know, the DPP. As you can see, him put it out, brawling, ladies, stop skittle out your thing, go take several seats, quit being an embarrassment to the establishment. It's very unbecoming, with respect. Yeah, people, along with that, we see Vybz Kartel, you know, share a recent interview with the DPP Paula Llewellyn, shocking comments on Vybz Kartel Privy Council appeal. Now, we're gonna get into this article right here as attorneys for Vybz Kartel, Adidja Palmer, and the co-accused in Clive Lizard Williams takeout case are urging the Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP Paula Llewellyn, and other interests to cease from trying the case in public, following their public utterances after last week's Privy Council ruling. So as you can see right here in a press release today, the lawyers said the defense team for the recent cleared Shawn Campbell, Adidja Palmer, Andre St. John, and Kahira Jones take note of the public reports and comments after the United Kingdom Privy Council decision on this matter. You know, where all of the accused in this case right here, you know, it continued. We urge all actors, public/private, to allow the Court of Appeal to properly seize of this matter and refrain from seeking to try this matter in public space. This will not advance the best interest of justice or the best interest of any of the relevant parties in this matter. The attorneys Bert Samuels, Bianca Samuels, Isaac Buchanan, Alexandra Labiche, and John Clark further noted that after almost 13 years of the accused men being in custody, we genuinely believe that this fair outcome is their discharge without a retrial. Nonetheless, said the attorneys, we expect the Crown to prosecute while we will try to provide our client a fair and strong response. We will focus on preparing our submissions for the Court of Appeal and acting as responsible legal professionals.
I know she have a place in my heart different and not about the fucker. I disrespect that dog. Alright, if you see what I say, you like Shinsi emoji. Yeah. You think you're gonna hear me jump up and say, yo, that me the fuck Shinsi? I mean, I never do that. I don't like. I see you fucking with a vex. You vex? No! But I never do that. But it's when it come to. Don't do that. I disrespect that. You're a bro, God. Better you unfollow to that. Because you know if you follow your friend, crush them and then you could think they charge you.
So after seeing this video right here, a lot of fans, I wonder if Valiant and Star Ashley dating, but them just hold on things out of the public. You know, people always admire Valiant and Star Ashley since they did the song, them perform it, the way how them always move around each other. So when them see Valiant express himself in this form, we him not call the female name or anything like that, you know, but we see the comments, you know, a lot of people are mentioning Star Ashley name. Okay, so we're gonna move along in the next topic right here. We see Spice, you know, at Duns River, well, Little Duns River, you know, saying that her new album is coming. So while Spice highlighting her love for Jamaica, you know, is like the queen of dancehall, takes her fans on outing, you know, with her at Little Duns River in Ocherios. Yes, people, it's like Spice put out the caption saying, my album loading up. I'm almost done writing. Just the other day Spice say she write her album, you know, and you know right now is like Spice say it almost finished. So you know it not take nothing for Spice write a song, because the last album 10, remember when Spice do that album, you know, she just do songs on top of songs and all of that, and after we look, you know, before the year done, Spice album ready. So the last album, you know, go on well, our last project and things. So this new one now, we are gonna see where Spice are going with on it. Yeah, people. So, you know, it's like Spice ready for drop our new album, and as I mentioned earlier in the vlog, you know, Spice just get inspiration from different places. Yeah, man. So Spice right here in Little Duns River, just enjoy our moment. Yes. So if you know, look out for the new album, hear it from now. You know, you get the news from now. So just look out same way.